Hello everyone. Windows Terminal will automatically create Windows Subsystem for Linux, and PowerShell profiles for you if you have these shells installed on your machine. This makes it easier for you to have all of your shells included in the terminal without having to locate their executable files. Regardless of whether a new shell is installed before or after your terminal installation, the terminal will create a new profile for the newly installed shell. You can easily install Linux in Microsoft Store. Open Microsoft Store. Find Ubuntu in search bar. Select Ubuntu. Install it. Reopen Windows Terminal. It will be attached to the Windows Terminal. Same way you can install more Linux shell. I hope you like. Thanks for watching the video.